Now that I've got the engine in the car, I want to turn my attention to a little side project, which will be the heater control valve. So obviously the heater tube normally runs from the from down here on the engine, goes into the core of the heater, circulates through the heater, and then it comes back out into the engine. So there's generally an on and off valve here, which is cable operated. I'm going to put in an electric solenoid valve so that I can operate the flow from a switch on the dash without any cables that I got to slide back and forth. The valve that I'm using is a standard VW Audi part, which is a heater control valve out of various VW Audi models, A6, etc. Now the slightly annoying part about this valve, unfortunately, is that it, without energization, is in a normally open position. And when you apply voltage to it, then the solenoid closes the flow of coolant. So I'm going to have to wire it so that it's on all the time, because I want the normal situation with the heater that it's off and there's no flow, and then apply or take the voltage away when you want the coolant to flow through the heater core. Not a big deal, but would have been nicer if it was operated the other way normally. So here's the little aluminum bracket that ultimately I've ended up with after one or two other iterations. Polished it up a little bit to 600 grit, and now the valve will fit on there nicely. We'll go ahead and put that in the car, see how she looks. Alright, so this is the valve in the car on the bracket, secured with one of the valve cover bolts, plenty solid. And I'll have just my one wiring connection to put on, and we'll be good to go. So one thing is that I had originally thought that the hose outlets on the solenoid were 5/8. They're actually 3/4. So I had to pick up a little adapter piece to go from 5/8 to 3/4 on either end. That may be too many hose clamps for some people. I'm going to see if I can find some black anodized ones to use in place. But anyway, so flick of a switch and that'll close off the coolant. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the way that went in. Not that it's a big deal, but just a little customized piece, I guess.